well, power comes off of pin 6, but 9 and 8 are the returns on the other side of that coil, so that's where it completes the circuit. So you check continuity between the flipper coil and jump J1 pin 9, and I got continuity there. So, okay, so we've got it everywhere except where that relay is. This relay. This is called the flipper lockout relay. So could that be the problem? Well, one of the things you could do is you could turn the game on, and when you start a game, the flipper relay lockout relay will energize, and that, what it does is it completes the path from the flipper buttons to allow the the flippers to go off. So it's a lockout relay. Like when you tilt, flippers go dead. That's the relay that cuts off. So whenever the game is in play, the relay is on when the flippers are supposed to be activated, and otherwise they're turned off. So that relay appears to be the missing link. So how do we check to see what's wrong with the relay? I'll show you. Let's put this out of the way and go back up to the power driver board and look at our two connections. So according to the schematics, here's what happens up here. Okay, these two bottom pins, 8 and 9, are connected to pins 1 and 2 on J2. So from J1, 8 and 9 to J2, 1 and 2. This relay, when it's active, kicks them out. So what we can do is we can check whether the relay is working without pulling the board out. So what I'm going to do that is I'm going to check continuity between these two things. So the left flipper is, I think that's pin 8 or 9. I'm going to check it before I test everything. So left flipper is pin 8 on jumper 1 to pin 1. So it's going to be 8 to 1 on the other one. So now I'm going to connect this. So I've got these two clips, and I will put my meter on continuity, and when there's continuity, we'll hear that beep, right? So I'm basically going to check continuity on both of these pins. There's no continuity right now, and the reason for that is because the relay is not tripped, right? So let's start a game, trip the relay, and see what happens. Ready? Start a game. There's a meter. Okay, put the meter right there. So it shows there's no continuity. Okay, so now let's start a game. Now there should be continuity. Let's see. Let me check it. Okay, there's a loose connection somewhere. I hate that. Give me a second. One of the problems is my meter is not always being nice. Okay, I gotta get some better leads on this thing. There's a bad thing in my meter thing, so let's check that again. Okay, we're on continuity. There we go. Okay. Connect 1 to 1. 1 to the other. Okay, so let's check that. Pin 8. There we go. So okay, there's our continuity. That's just the alligator clips are kind of poor, making a poor contact. Okay. So there's our thing. Now, when I turn the game off, that should stop. Watch. So the relay closed, right? So now let's check the other one. We'll go from pin 9, the other leg of the relay for the right flipper. That was the left flipper. So now we'll do the same thing. And this time we're going to check the right flipper part of that relay. And start again. And we get nothing. So it's that leg of the relay is not working. I'm accidentally touching the other leg. So that's pin 9 to pin 1, and it's not there. So there's our problem. The 1/2 of the flipper lockout relay is messed up. Now, is that a cracked solder joint? Is it the actual relay? Looking at the relay, it's hard to tell because it does move, but there could be a little broken part in there. So my guess is this is the culprit right there. This physical relay. So that's probably going to have to be replaced on this board. And it's not a cheap part. It's like $24. There's probably some other places to source it, but they don't really make them in that form factor anymore. So you have to, there's options where you get a little socket and you mount the socket, and then there's like a plug-in kind of thing. So this flipper lockout relay is messed up. So that's going to have to be replaced. And that's an odd happening, but it is another mechanical part in this game. And sometimes, mechanical parts are definitely going to go out. And in this case, that's what happened. And I've been working on this board, and maybe I banged something. I will check to see if there's a bad solder joint or something. But that's where our problem is, this flipper lockout relay. Who would have imagined? But, get everything fixed, turn it on, and one of the flippers doesn't work. So, anyway, this is one of those situations where I don't have this particular part in stock, so I wonder if I could steal a relay off of another board. I don't know if I've got a lot of extra solenoid driver boards. MPUs are replaced all the time, but these puppies are not. So, until next time, I guess I'm going to have to order it, wait for it to come in. So, that's it. A little bit of a flipper diagnostic routine for early Bally solid state games, or Bally solid state games. In this case, Mystic. Trying to get this old girl back working 100%. We're slowly getting there. So, thank you guys for watching. For more, visit pinballhelp.com. You can catch the YouTube channel, YouTube/PinballHelp. Please be sure to subscribe to that. We're still trying to kind of get more traffic, and every little bit helps. So if you want to support, go to pinballhelp.com, and there's information there. And until next time, thanks for watching.